Sherman!
So kids, we are on our study tour to East Hill Museum. Are you guys excited?
Yes! For the kind attention of passengers, train number 13344 is running late by 40 minutes. We regret for the inconvenience caused to the passengers.
Oh, sorry kids. We have to wait for another 40 more minutes to board. Our train is running late.
Oh no! 40 minutes again? Oh no!
We'll wait in the lounge. Come on, kids.
Due to the heavy rainfall and landslide in the Northern Hill Park, all train services in this route is running late. Here are some visuals.
Ma'am, is this the train we're supposed to go?
Yes, I guess.
What is the reason for landslide, ma'am?
Landslides in hilly areas are primarily triggered by a combination of natural and human-induced factors that destabilize slopes. Natural causes include heavy rainfall, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. Human activities like deforestation, construction, and mining also significantly contribute to slope instability, increasing the risk of landslides.
The reason behind this landslide might be this heavy rainfall. Am I correct?
Yay, maybe. Kids, I'll be back in a while.
Due to the heavy rainfall and landslide in the Northern Hill Park.
Hi, Sherman! What a surprise! I have news for you. This landslide is not natural. It's man-made. Oh no! Yes, I am damn sure.
Then you should stop it immediately.
Who is the one behind this, Sherman?
Mission success. When this hill is demolished, I can easily construct my new multi-level black magic research center.
A miracle is happening. See this, the landslide is just reversing. Thanks to Almighty.
What's happening? You? Huh?
Sure.